Money tree is a beautiful plant that is commonly used in home decor, especially in living rooms. Here are some benefits of having a money tree in your living room. 1. It is believed to bring good luck and prosperity to your home. 2. The lush, green foliage of the money tree adds a pop of color and texture to your living room, making it more visually appealing. 3. Money trees are excellent air purifiers, which makes them an ideal addition to your living room. They can help to remove toxins and pollutants from the air, which can help to reduce respiratory problems and improve air quality. 4. Money trees are easy to care for and require very little maintenance. They can thrive in low to medium light conditions and can survive with minimal watering. 5. Money trees are also known for their resilience and their ability to withstand various environmental conditions. They can survive in both warm and cool temperatures, making them perfect for indoor environments. Overall, the money tree is a great addition to any living room. It is not only visually appealing but also provides numerous health benefits and brings good luck and prosperity to your home.